Ladies and gentlemen, we're here today in this very nice place called Queenstown. You can see the backdrop behind me. It's fantastic, and we're about to kick off with Extreme Games number 1. And here I have my players and contestants and champions of this game. And yes, there it is. So here we go. We're about to kick off. Now the aim of the game is to get the chip in the duck's mouth and then the seagulls will attack it. It's a vicious game but good fun. Go duck, go! Go duck! Oh, he's been robbed. He's off! Ooh, duck weaving. Very good, let me... Alright, next one. Here we go. One chip coming up.
Oh, I lost it.
Goes. Oh, no.
Oh, I got it.
Duck under pressure.
He's got it.
He's away!